Before you begin, please make sure you have the following items. During the installation process, remove the dome cover from the camera base using the included wrench. Use the included plastic sheet when handling the dome to avoid smudging it. If you are using a PoE switch or PoE injector, simply connect your Ethernet cable to the camera to power it and connect it to your server. If you are not using a PoE switch or PoE injector, connect your Ethernet cable and a compatible power adapter to the camera. A waterproof cap is provided to protect your Ethernet cable from water damage. To use the waterproof cap, attach the 2 plastic pieces and one of the thick rubber rings to your Ethernet cable as shown in this footage. Make sure that the cable connector you use does not have a relief boot. A connector with a relief boot may not fit inside the cap. Place the thin rubber ring on the Ethernet port where the cap will be screwed on. Connect the Ethernet cable to the camera and tighten both ends of the cap. You can further prevent water leakage by sealing the waterproof cap with an outdoor rated sealer. Use the mounting template to mark and drill the necessary pilot holes in the mounting surface. This camera comes with an optional plastic cable guide. When installing the cable guide, please make sure that the side with the larger holes for the screw heads is facing outward, away from the mounting surface. To attach the cable guide, hold it against the mounting surface and use the included screws and drywall anchors to fix it in place. Hold the camera against the mounting surface or cable guide and use the included screws and drywall anchors to fix the camera in place. Be sure to tighten the screws well enough so that the camera can be rotated freely without being blocked by the screw heads. If you are mounting the camera to a pole or corner, it is recommended to use a compatible mounting bracket with the camera. This camera has an infrared sensor built in. If you are planning to use a sensor, make sure that it is pointed to the correct direction when adjusting the camera. To adjust the camera, loosen the screw near the lens and manually alter the tilt and the rotation. Tighten the screws once the adjustment is complete. Carefully place the dome back on the camera and affix the cover in place using the included star wrench and screws. Remove the protective film from the dome. Gently wipe the dome with lens tissue or a microfiber cloth to remove any dust or smudges left from the installation process. In addition to physically mounting the camera, configuring the camera's IP address and applying an administrative password is necessary to complete the setup process. For easier setup, we recommend you using the DW IP Finder application software to manage your camera. The remainder of this QSG will teach you how to use it. To install DW IP Finder, go to our website digital-watchdog.com and search for DW IP Finder. Navigate to the DW IP Finder product page and scroll down to the Downloads section. DW IP Finder is available for Windows and Linux computers only. Click the download button for the version that matches your computer's OS and use the installation wizard to install the program. Open DW IP Finder and select the network card that's connected to the camera network. Click Scan Devices to allow the program to find your camera. Once your device has been detected, you'll need to set a custom password. If you are setting up multiple cameras, you can configure the login to them simultaneously. To do this, click the checkbox to select a camera, then click the Bulk Password Assign button. In the Current Account section, enter the current login credentials for the camera. The default login for new cameras is admin. For the new password fields, enter your desired password and re-enter it again in the confirmation box. If needed, you can create a password hint. Click the Change button to apply your changes. To configure settings within the camera itself, you can use a web browser and enter the camera's IP address to connect to the camera's web interface. Otherwise, you can access your camera's settings using DWIP Finder. After discovering the camera, click on the button that appears in the Settings column, then click the Website button. Your default web browser will open and automatically begin to connect with the camera. Log in with your camera's credentials to access an expanded list of settings within the camera and to view live camera video using the Web Viewer feature. After logging in for the first time, be sure to click on the Calibrate button on the camera's web interface to auto-calibrate the camera's lens. This completes the installation of your new security camera. Thank you for choosing Digital Watchdog as your security solution.